it's Gina with WTI. And if you want an absolutely showstopper pair of earrings for your next formal event, or maybe just to wear around town for something casual, you're gonna love this pair of dangle earrings that I got from Absolute Pearl. When people ask you if they're real, they absolutely are. They are moissanite stones surrounded by quadruple A CZ stones, and that includes on the bar as well. The moissanite stones are brilliant cut, and they have a higher refractive index than diamonds, which means they are gonna sparkle and shine better than any diamond that you might have. They have a VVS1 clarity and D color, and these are sterling silver. So sometimes I do have sensitive ears, and these have given me no issues at all. In fact, I wore them to a wedding reception and I danced all night. Not only did these stay very secure in my ear, but also I had no issues with sensitivity. Absolute Pearl has so many different options of jewelry to choose from. I love these earrings, and I think whoever you get them for, or even if it's for yourself, you're gonna love them, they're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.